To download and play Cat God Ranch on a PC or laptop, start by downloading Steam, an application that allows users to buy, download, install, and play games. Begin by going to Google and searching for Steam. Then click on the link that says, "Welcome to Steam" at store.steampowered.com. Once on the website, click the Install Steam button, typically located in the middle of the page, and select the platform being used. For most users, this will be Windows. The Steam setup will then be downloaded to the computer. Open the setup and follow the prompts, clicking Next and selecting a language. Then choose a destination folder for the installation. The default location is acceptable, but it can be changed if desired. After selecting the folder, click Install, and Steam will be installed on the computer. Once Steam is installed, open the application and create an account or log in to an existing one. If creating a new account, simply follow the on-screen instructions. After logging in, hover over the Store button and click Featured, then locate the search box at the top right and type in the name of the game, Cat God Ranch. The game should appear in the search results, so click on it and scroll down to the Buy section. Click Add to Cart, then View My Cart, and select the account for which the game is being purchased. Proceed to the Payment section. Choose a payment method, and complete the checkout process. After purchasing the game, it will be added to the Steam library, which can be accessed by clicking Library at the top of the page and selecting Games on the left. The game should be listed, so click on it and then click Install. Choose a location for the game's installation and decide whether to create a desktop or start menu shortcut. The game will then be installed, and once the process is complete, a notification will appear. The game can then be launched by clicking the Play button, and it will be ready to play.